Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can switch your pets in Heartopia. So I'm going to go to the pet that I want to switch. They need to be, I think, hold on, level like 3000 or something like that. And you're going to go to your pet, go out, and make it so that your pet is following you. If they are too far, you'll need to get closer so they're able to follow you. Oh, or just use a car, I guess. I lag a lot when I go to the like central area, so just be patient. Oh, I'm so sorry everybody, but this is just the way it is. I have it on like my hard disk, that's why. Alright, once once it's done, well, when you're here in the pet store, come on Tater. Oh my gosh, seriously, I'm just going to leave you. Oh, he saw a bird. Go away, bird. Okay, come on. This is gonna be a while. Alright, you're going to go to the pet store and you're going to select pet boarding. Select your pet and press board and then press confirm boarding. You are able to retrieve it. Okay, after a pet has been boarded or picked up, it can be boarded or picked up again until 6 the next day. So you are able to retrieve it, or you can just leave it if you'd like to. And then after that, you can then get another pet like this here and then adopt. I'm able to adopt more than 2 dogs, but this is if you only have one and you are not able to adopt a second dog. But yeah, that is it. I won't leave Tater, I guess, but yeah. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.